Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to check or how to show products quantity left. You can see that the product quantity left is 11. Okay. So first of all we have to check how much quantity exactly it is. So let's go to the admin panel. So where the admin panel is, it's not there. So let me make this as a admin panel login. Admin. Let's go to the catalog. Catalog products. We have a demo, edit. We have 11, and currently what we are showing 11 stocks, and but it says that two products sold, but here the quantity is not reduced. Why? Because it's not marked as completed right now. If I go to the sales and orders, if I go to the sales orders, and if I mark this as completed, if I go to invoice it and submit the invoice, also ship it also. Okay, you can see the order is completed now. Okay, let's reload this product. 10 quantity right now it's left. That means, and you can also check on the demo product here how much quantity, and go to the catalog products. You can also see that here the quantity is now 10. So it is fluctuating with that reason when the order is marked completed. So the values are changing accordingly. So how we are going to create it? So let's go to the tutorial. Those who haven't watched the tutorial, my previous one, just 5-10 minutes previous I have uploaded. If you've not seen that, so I will explain again the how we have added the this one in the product sold, and we have just just add this block of line. Okay, so let's check the that code only. So for the overall module, we have product sold, right? This is the full module etc. Everybody know module.xml, and what we have to do is basically Magento catalog, right? Next, we have the helper class that we are dealing with it, and we have the view, front end, layout, and templates. That is the main in layout. We have just that is product view.xml. We are going to override, and here we are calling the reference block with the product sold count. Right, reference container is product info is stock SKU. It will going to show, and in the front end we have templates product sold. So here we are showing the product quantity left. We are calling the helper class with the function name get stock left, and we are passing the full product, right? And in the data we have added a function get stock left, and here we are returning the stock according to the website ID, right? Get stock quantity, and we are using the dependency injection, that is for the catalog inventory API stock interference, and we are using this to return the how many quantities left after placing the order, completing the order. So it will return you the number of products left in the stock, and we are just showing over it. Okay, so this is the tutorial on that how we are going to show the products quantity left in Magento 2 on the product detail page. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like the video. Please do at least like or share or comment, so that I will upload more videos on upcoming on Magento 2. Thank you so much. Have a great day.